Brita Cap 26 here, just doing repair and tips, and we've had a profound issue with our faucet, as you know. So we took off the other water filter, which we won't mention what it was, and we're going to replace it with this, which we should have went with to begin with. They've been in business for quite a long time. So we're going to dive into it. I pulled it out of the box, and this is what it looks like when you get it. And looks pretty easy. Hopefully we'll get it on there and fix it up soon. The little bag was hiding there, and we found the parts to put the adapter on. At this stage, you have to take the screen out here, and you have to flip it around so it's concave, not convex. And I tried it on there, and it leaked a little bit. I tightened it as much as I could, so we're gonna have to get an extra O-ring to put in there in replace of this. So we got the Brita filter on here, and the screws in this way, and we put a washer in there. We still have a slight leak in here. I don't know why. I'm going to call Brita and find out what I can do about that. But here it is in action. You see the water coming down a little bit here. At least it's not shooting right into my eye like the other system was doing. and turn this over like this, and the filtered water comes out this side. So that's how it works. You turn it like that, and you get rid of the water. You see, I have to be playing this all day long, doing this. But no, that's how it works, and that's how you install it. So if I have any updates, I will post them below. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell on the side. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.